Hi, this is eraskin Alexei. In this video I will briefly show you my mutibo game capstone project for Coursera. This video will roughly divide it into three parts. First part is starting local services, Android emulator and so on. It's very quick part. Second part, I will show you quickly the functionality of the mutibo application. And the third part, this is more deep requirements walkthrough. I will go over each rubrics and show you where in my application it is implemented. So let's start. Let's go to Eclipse and start our Spring server. You see, I will pre-populate all the game sets during the startup, DB population class. This is name of the films, and this is URLs to the images from emdb.com. That's it. Let's start. Start Java application, Spring, and our application started in 13 seconds. Let's start our Android client, Android emulator. Run this Android application, and we should wait a little bit. While Android applications is starting, I will show you quickly server classes. You see, this is repository classes, DB population, game set, rating, set repository, user model, user repository. And this is mutibo controller, Spring controller. And this is for OS client and our application, main application class. Let's see mutibo Android client project. This is a lot of activities, some list view adapters, some callable task, asynchronous task, mutibo 8 API, models, game set, rating, user, some code for OAuth authentications, and this is for UI interface, rounded drawables, and so on. Easy HTTP client. That's it. So I see that our emulator started. Let's start our application. This is login screen for mutibo quiz. We can log in under admin, but we can do it under, for example, user 3. Let's do. And you see music service is playing some music. Let's play. Here is the question. Please identify which movie in the holding group is the odd one. And you see I can scroll and I can click next because I didn't answer the question, current question yet. I have 3 lives and score 0. This is action item menu to the leaderboard screen, and we can also log out. Menu item to log out. So let's play. American Pie, New Girls, Breakfast Club. This one is wrong. Titanic is the correct answer, and you see all the images at first is gray, and this image is downloaded from IMDb's site. And when user click on some answer, mutibo application show him correct answer, and it show image in colored mode. Yeah. Let's rate. We can rate this set and go to the next item. Again wrong. Next. And okay, this is correct. So this is the game. click and go to the leaderboards screen, where user 3 will be in the user 3 10 points. You see? That's it. We can click play again button and play the game again and try to be more smart in next turn. So that's it. That's pretty simple game. Let's log in under admin, log out. And you see, admin can remove bad sets. All the sets shown in the. You can see all the sets here, and admin can decide whether this set is bad or not. If a lot of dislikes, this set will be in the first place, so at the top. So this list sorted via dislikes. So administrator can check if some set get a lot of bad marks, and he can check if it is really bad set or not. If admin decided to delete it, he just click this image and click yes, and this item will be removed from the header. That's it. It's very easy. So this was quick overview of mutibo application, and now let's go to the rubrics table. This is PDF that I attached to the Coursera peer review, and let's go through all the requirements more deeply, so it's easy for you guys, peer reviewers, my peer reviewers, so you don't need to go to the code, you just can watch the video. But if you wish to see code, you're welcome. Okay, support multiple users via individual user accounts. Let's go, and you see I already logged under admin, and I logged under user 3. Current application only have predefined sets of users. That's fine for study project. Okay, next item will be number 2. App contains at least one user-facing function available only to authenticated users. And you see, if we log under admin, we can remove bad sets, right? If we log in via simple user, user 1, user 2, for example, user 4, we have this user. These users don't have such possibilities to go to the screen, so that's correct. Next item. App comprises at least one instance of each of the following 4 fundamental Android components: activity, broadcast receiver, service, content provider. Activity we already saw, and I implemented service. This is music service. You probably see the phone music. This was implemented by Android component called service. That's it. Simple. And in the future releases, probably I will add setting to stop the music. Okay, next item. It is app interacts with at least one remotely hosted Java Spring-based web service. You already saw that I started Spring Web application with pre-populated data, and this is okay. App interact with number 5. App interact over the network via HTTP, and you can check this in mutibo API code if you wish. It's pretty straightforward. So I use JSON. I use HTTP protocol to communicate with Spring server. Next item. App allows user to navigate between 3 or more user interfaces screen at runtime. So let's count. This is first activity, leaders board was second, login screen will be third activity, and remove bad sets, it is fourth activity, so this is correct. Next, 7. Uses at least one advanced capability API from the following list, and I choose animation. You can check in the code game view activity, line 513, set custom animation, but I will show you how it works. You see this text view. Please identify which movie in the following group is odd one. If user click this text will move, slide, and now this text is contain explanation. So this is animation. Also animation in view pager. When I click next, you see view pager slide our game set. Also you can use slide. You see now I can. Instead of clicking next, I can slide it because it's view pager. You see? So it's very convenient. Okay. Number 7 is okay. 8. Support at least one operation that performs of the UI thread. I use callable task, it is async task, and for loading these images from imdb.com I use async task. So that's pretty straightforward. But you can check callable task in the client code. Next, this is part 2, functional description and app requirements. Set is unit of data contains 4 movie titles. You see 4 movie titles and 4 images. And we have explanation here, so it's correct. User should be able to log into the game using authenticated user account. We already saw this, so it's correct. Single game presents a series of sets and guesses until the user has made 3 incorrect guesses. So you see already 2 incorrect. I have only one life. So I lose the game. Okay. After viewing a set, a user will be able to rate a set based on the explanation of the link between the movies. Okay, you see, if user starts new game, he can click and rate the set. Like, don't like. For example, I like it. Okay. So this is saved to the database on the Spring server side. Next item. 4b. If set receives large number of poor ratings, it can be removed from the game. So I implemented it via remove bad sets activity. Yeah. So admin can check likes, dislikes, and can delete certain game set. Next item. For each successfully completed set, the user will get points. Yeah, that's true. If you correct answer the question, you can get score from 10. Well, and you see all the users sorted in this leaders board, sorted via points, maximum number of points. So first position will have user with maximum points. That's it. Number 6. All data, question, answers, points stored through and retrieved from web-based service accessible in the cloud. You can check the code on the server, and you can check code on the client. So all the data stored in the web Spring server. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you good luck with your capstone project.